Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we have 4 Bluetooth speakers here which are the best speakers of 2017, and we are going to do the sound testing of this speaker. I have connected all the 4 Bluetooth speakers to my mobile phone, and I will be playing one song, same song in all the 4 speakers. The first speaker on the very right hand side we have Blaupunkt BT01, and the next to it is JBL Flip 3. After that we have Blaupunkt BT51, and at the end we have LG PH2 speakers. I have bought these speakers recently, and you can check the specification of these speakers on the web. So let's just start playing the same song in all the 4 speakers one by one. And additionally I have also opened an app on my iPad which will measure the decibel output of each of the speaker. So let me just reset it. So let's start first. I'll be playing the speaker on my very right hand side, which is Blaupunkt BT01, this speaker. So I will be going like this. So let's play one song on this speaker. Okay, so this speaker is connected. So now I will be playing the song, same song on all the 4 speakers. Here we go. Okay, so I have played just now Blaupunkt BT01. I have kept the Hot Wheels on it to recognize that this is the current working speaker. So the maximum decibel recorded was 88.7. So now let's move on to JBL Flip 3. So I will reset the counter here, and I will place this car on JBL Flip 3. Okay, I will place it here next to it so that we will know the current speaker which is playing is JBL Flip 3. Now same song in JBL Flip 3. so in flip 3 we recorded a maximum of 102.4 decibels. So let me just reset the counter and let me restart the app so that it won't closes again. Now next we will be playing the Blaupunkt BT51 Bluetooth speaker. It has dual speaker in it with 50mm driver. You can check the specification on the web. So let me just connect to Blaupunkt BT51 now. Okay, so now Blaupunkt 51 is connected, and let me play the same song on it. Okay, so in Blaupunkt 51 we recorded a maximum of 92.3 decibels. So let me reset the counter, and now next we will be playing the LG PH2. Okay, so now LG PH2 is active, and let me reset the counter. Let's play the same music in LG PH2 now. in LG PH2 we recorded a maximum of 92.0 decibels, and that's it guys. So the clear winner is JBL Flip 3, although the price of this is almost 4 times more than the other speakers. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will be putting up some more videos on the speakers. I also have some homemade speakers, and in my next video we will be doing the bass testing for Flip 3 and Blaupunkt BT51. Thanks for watching.